Snail Truck regards product quality as the company's core competitiveness. We set up a manufacturing center at the export base and improve product quality through strict maintenance procedures. The maintenance process includes chassis rust removal, chassis repair, axle inspection, engine remanufacturing, gearbox remanufacturing, engine and gearbox replacement, cab assembly, circuit inspection, gas line replacement, vehicle painting, tire replacement, upper body replacement, road test inspection. The engine manufacturing process includes whole machine cleaning, whole machine disassembly, parts cleaning, paint and oil removal, parts inspection and flaw detection, whole machine assembly, whole machine experiment, whole machine painting. We firmly believe that product quality is the foundation of the long-term development of the enterprises. We guarantee that every truck delivered to the user will undergo strict testing. New truck quality, used truck price, Snail Truck, different excitement.